In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to add an item, service items in QuickBooks Desktop. For adding service items, we can click on items and services on home page and the item list will be open, or we can click on list on the bottom border and then click on item list. The page of item list will be open. We can click here by using Control N, or we can click at the corner by item and then click new, so item, this page will be open from where we can choose the type, select the type of items. For example, the item's type of item is services. Click on service, then write here the name or number of your item. For example, advertising. If we are providing advertising to customers, so right here advertising, if it's sub item of other items, so you can click here. If this service is used in assembles or is performed by a subcontractor or partner, so you can click here and write here description. For example, I am just copying the name of item, and here you can write the cost. For example, I am writing $20, and here you can choose expense account. For example, we have an account by the name of advertising and promotion, and here from here we can choose prefer vendor or supplier, for example Umarjan, and here we can write sales price, on which price we are offering this advertising to customers. For example, $25, and here we can select or choose income account. For example, services. For services, we should choose service account and then click on OK. So this item will be saved to our item list. And we can add services here. From here, select service item. Here, writing the name of item. For example, repairing, and we are going to just, if we are independent organization and providing services and not assign any contract or don't have any partner, so we can directly write here description and the rate on which we are offering this kind of service. For example, $30, and here we can choose income account, for example services account, and then click on OK. So the item will be saved to our item list. If you want to edit, so we can double click on item, or we can right click on item, then we can click on edit item, so we can edit from here our item. And if we want to make inactive, so we should right click on item, then click make item inactive, so the item will disappear from the list of items. If you want to bring it again, so click include inactive, then you can click or annex, or right click on the item name, then click make item active, so the item will come again to item list. If you want to delete it, so right click on the item and then delete item, so then click on OK. The item will be deleted from item list.